You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as a eel. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, nasty scum. Your heart is full of lost socks, your soul is full of gum. The best three words that describe you are cold, stink, stank, stunk. Vile one, Mr. Grinch, you have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch.